Hello Excel champs, welcome to day 9 of our 100 days of Excel learning. Have you ever tried scrolling thousands of rows and have got really frustrated because you can't see the headers or the column name? So today we will learn how to handle those super large data sets where you scroll and scroll to look at the headers or the column names. We have freeze panes and split window to save us. Let's get started. Let's get started with freeze panes first. You see we have got some column names or let's say headers, and when we scroll down we can't really see what the names are. For example, here is 145 and so on. These numbers are there. Here somewhat I can remember that this is the ID, this is the department, the region, and like that, but I can get confused, or anyone can get confused within these numbers. So it's always preferred to have the column names or the headers, we should say, freezed, so that whenever we scroll down we still can see the headers. It's super easy. What you do is click on the cell below the row you want to freeze, okay, and go to the view tab, click on freeze panes, okay. So what you do is you click on the row below the cell you want to freeze, okay. So this is the row basically which I want to freeze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this row, the one below the one you want to freeze, and then go here and then click on freeze panes. So when I scroll down now I can still see the headers. It's easy now, right? And if I don't want the headers to be freezed, again I will click on the freeze panes and then select unfreeze panes. Easy. Guys, sometimes when we have a super huge data set and we want to view at different parts of the data set, so what we do, so we need a split screen, we need some multiple screens so that we can see what's there inside the data, we can analyze the data even more deeply. So what we do is we go on view tab and simply just select the split. So what this split option has done here is it has split the window in 4 different sections, right? So this is the section, okay, these are the 4 different sections. You can scroll down each section independently and then study the data. And if you want to get rid of the split screen, you just select the split again and then you get your original unsplit data. Alright guys, that's it for today's tip on navigating the large data sets. So mastering these little tricks will save a ton of your time. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click on the icon, on the bell icon, so that you can get more cool Excel hacks. Thank you for watching. Bye.